Did you see that? 2 analog sticks? What the heck is this? It's time for a message from the future. Stay tuned. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to a new video. And in today's video we are going to talk about, once again, a Game Boy Pi or a Pi-based system. So the reason I wanted to do this preview and this message from the future, I wanted to talk about it because there was something I have noticed and I've never seen before. We haven't 2 joysticks? You remember this review? Yeah, I must say, if you're having a little analog stick, that would be fine, alright. But 2? How do you need to hold this thing? And you're placing the extra joystick analog on the speaker. That is freaking damn ugly. You can... Alright, if you're holding the system like this, how do you need to... Maybe use some button on the back, or... How do you use the thing? So... The reason I wanted to talk about it, I really love to make a review about it, try it out for myself. But as you already know on the channel, and if you didn't know, I did a lot of reviews about Pi systems, and this one is pretty damn unique. 2 analog sticks, really no clue why they are doing this. As we can see here, we have some other versions. We're having here the normal versions with the analog stick, but why 2? I have really no clue why they are doing this. So yeah, first of all, let me know what you think of this. Would you consider buying something like this? I can understand why they are adding this, because maybe some games will need 2 analog sticks. But yeah, can you not better use an external controller? So yeah, I'm trying to get my hands on one, and I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell, and leave a comment and let me know what you think of this thing. See you next time. Bye bye.